Hi, welcome back to Veganized by Veli. Today I'm going to show you how I make French press coffee. I'm going to start by grinding my coffee. My current favorite one is Café Pájaro from Trader Joe's. I will grind the coffee beans until they've reached a coarse texture. To the empty French press, I will add some powdered cinnamon, nutmeg, pumpkin pie spice, and then the coffee. I used about 8 tablespoons of coffee. Add hot water to the coffee beans and let them sit for about 30 seconds. This will bloom the coffee, which means it'll expand and let carbon dioxide release. Once 30 seconds are over, fill the French press until the top metal rim. Cover and steep the coffee for 6 to 8 minutes. The longer you steep it, the stronger it'll be. Once the waiting period is over, you can serve as is for hot coffee, or you can store for later and have it as iced coffee. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. Bye-bye.